Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making a gluten-free pastry. Now this is not a pastry for sweet things, it's more for savoury type products. And we're going to be using Shipton Mill gluten-free multi-purpose. I've used this on several occasions and it's very good. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. And for the pastry recipe, you want 200 grams of multi-purpose gluten-free flour, a pinch of salt, 100 grams of softened butter, and 3 tablespoonfuls of water. Right guys, you want to pop your flour into the bowl. Now sieve this first. Flour always seems to be very gritty. That's it. Add your butter and water in. Pinch of salt. And we'll pop the beater on. We'll start this on first speed. Just let your butter blend with your flour. That makes a nice pastry. And that's just right guys. And it's as easy as that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's a short pastry video. It gives you some idea that you can actually use gluten-free flour almost like you can ordinary flour. Now I can't tell you what's actually inside the gluten-free flour because there's a long list of different things that they've actually used in it to give it that multi-purpose ability. Please subscribe and please share. And don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description to check out my Facebook page for more recipes at The Traditional Bakery. And we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!